Hi there. In this video I'm going to quickly demonstrate using my DFRobot Unihiker as a scale. It's connecting over I2C to the HX711 pressure sensor from DFRobot from their gravity line, and I also have this generic LED ring that I'm using to turn on when the light sensor of the Unihiker detects a low light condition. The scale itself works fairly well at the 3.3 volt logic level and voltage level provided by the Unihiker. But something to keep in mind is the HX711 works best with an excited voltage from what I've read online of 5 volts, so there will be some small variations in return voltages, or return values. In the future I'll do a level shifting video where I bring it up to 5 volts and confirm whether or not it does prevent these small variations from occurring. But for now it works fairly well for my needs, and it's a good way to demonstrate the scale in use. I have the two buttons on the Unihiker on the right, the physical one, set up to work as both a calibrating button and then a peeling button. And peel sets it back to the value as 0. So you'll see the calibration first with the text at the top will update. And this is configurable. It's set to calibrating a 50-gram weight. I'll place it on and you'll see the light on the device itself started updating, or blinking rather, to show that it was updating, and now it has the new calibration value. And it's showing 50 grams here. And I can peel that, which will now set this as the new 0 value. And given the variations, I might need to peel it again. There. When I remove it, I should see about -50. There we go. Sorry, I had the edge of the LEDs